Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an update video on the Cosori recall. So lots of questions, lots of comments, and I wanted you guys to realize how we did it, and I'll put a link in the description below, is the right way to do it, because we got confirmation 8 days after we filled out all the paperwork that we put in and we showed you guys how to do in our previous video. 8 days later, we got confirmation. We got an email saying your recall registration has been approved. The good news, so they said all the good news part of it, and we're currently replacing your product for a shipment. We are working hard to ship all replacement products as quickly as possible, and we appreciate your patience. Your replacement product will likely arrive in the next 2 to 3 weeks, but please allow at least 3 weeks for tracking information to become available. And note that certain replacement products have a ship time of 8+ weeks. So I noticed there were a lot of comments about, oh my God, it's gonna be 8+ weeks and that sort of thing. I use my air fryer every day. Absolutely, we are the same way. But at the same time, let's give them a little bit of grace. There's over 2 million of these recalled that have to now be manufactured, shipped out. All the processing has to take place. So as you guys have noticed, they're trying to keep up with all the phone calls, all the messages, things like that. I do not work for the company. So I'm just saying that let's give them a little grace. They're doing the right thing as a company. They have 2 million of these things to replace and get out to everybody. And so they're doing everything they probably can to make that happen. So little grace there for them. The other thing too is make sure you go to that first video. Do it like we did it in the first video, because after 8 days, we got confirmation we did it correctly. So follow those instructions and you should be on the same road to getting your replacement as well. And I know there's a lot of people from the UK asking questions about it as well. Again, I don't work for the company, so I don't know. I heard that there were some people from the UK that were successful in getting theirs replaced if they got in touch with somebody from the company. You know, if that's what you're looking to do, that's the road you're gonna need to take for that. So that's it. Subscribe to our videos. This is the Cosori recall update. And like I said, you really get nothing for 8 days, then you're gonna get this email, then you're gonna get nothing for about 3+ weeks. It's a little bit weird how they word this, that the product should arrive in the next 2 to 3 weeks, but please allow at least 3 weeks for the tracking information to become available. So if I get the product in 2 weeks and I get tracking information in 3 weeks, it's not gonna help me any. So really, this is the recall approved email is all you're really gonna get till you probably get your product, unless you ask for a replacement product that's gonna take 8+ weeks to get, then maybe getting that tracking information at week 3 will give you some indication you're on the right path. So we'll let you know. We'll do another video when we get ours, and we'll give you the time frame of what that looks like. But basically, from the time that we filled out all the paperwork correctly from the link in the description below video to the time we got this email was 8 days. So that's about the time frame you're looking at. So subscribe to our videos. We'll see you next time. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks.